with more car crash part 2. And don't mind my friend's hand, please.
Free Barbie doll, I'm going out of this one. No one wants to help you, Barbie. Now let's go back into the light so no one suspects anything. Hey, you speeder! Psychopath! Oops, I hit the camera. Get into the middle of the Oh no! Get me on top. Jelly hole! What's going on, everyone? At least that crazy Steve is gone. Isn't it crazy? Of course it is. Oh, I think he's back. Oh, never mind.
Hey guys, if you did like this video, smash that like button in the face. Leave comments and we'll read them maybe next video. And thank you and subscribe. Bye. Bye. What's up?